Okay, we're gonna do a slow tutorial of Andante in G minor by Telemann. So keep my hands in view. Okay, ready? So I'm gonna play it a little bit faster first, and then you can, if you want to go to the slow part, you have to fast forward to the slow part. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to play this slower this time, so keep it going. Number 1 right here, 3 in the B flat, 5 on D, walk, running, walk, 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 running, running, walk. Okay, so then thumb and thumb on G and G, running, running, walk, walk, running, running, walk, walk. Number 2 on E flat, step, down, step. Now this is tricky. Look at the left hand. I've got my thumb down to the D, and then you got 2 and 2 on C and A, both step down, both step up, and then you got 1 and 1, running, 3 and 3, go down to the D. Now, thumb and thumb on the G at G again. Running, running, E flat, walk, running, running, walk. Is your arm, are you tired? Step, down, step, down, step, down, step, up,